Yes, dear students, will continue 3 and 5 marks of the matrix and determinants chapter, exercise 1.2. The question is like this: he has given A is equal to I0 0 minus 1 and B is equal to 0 minus 1 1 0 and C is equal to 0 I 0. He has given already where I square is equal to minus 1. We have to show that A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to I. That means the square of A matrix, the square of B matrix, the square of C matrix should be identity matrix. I means identity matrix. Its value will be 1 0 as well as 0 1. First row 1 0, second row 0 1. In the second case, A into B, that is multiplication of matrix, is equal to B into A, again multiplication, negative of that, then that should be equal to minus C. First we will take the first problem, that is we have to show that A square is equal to B square is equal to C square. All this should be an identity matrix. First I will take A square. As we know that A square is equal to what? A into A. A square is equal to A into A. That is I 0 0 minus I into again I 0 0 minus I. Okay, we have to multiply according to that. First row, first column. First row, first column. I square in I into I is what? I square. Okay, next 0 into 0 plus 0. Next first row, second column. I into 0, 0. Plus into minus, minus. 0 into I, 0. So first row with first column is over, second column is also over. Then second row, first column. 0 into I, 0. Minus into plus, minus. I into 0, 0. Next, second row, second column. 0 into 0, 0. Minus into minus, plus. I into I square. So this will become I square 0, 0, I square. Yes. So A square is equal to what? A square is equal to, since he has given I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. So A square will become minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Yes? Right? Let's copy out this one. Next, second part. Okay, second part. So, sorry, make a correction. This is minus I. Minus I. Next, second part. Second, what we have to find out? I have found out A square value. A square is equal to what? Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Then, B square. If you want, you can call this as 1. B square is equal to what again? B into B. So, B into B. What is B? 0, minus 1, 1, 0 of 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Similarly, this is what? First row, first column. First row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into 1 is 1. Next, first row, second column. Okay, 0 into minus 1, 0. You can write minus 0 or plus 0. That doesn't matter much. So, this again will become minus 0. Next, second row with first column. Second row with first column. This 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. In between plus sign. Second row, second column. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 1, 1. So plus into plus, plus. 0 into 0, 0. So B square is equal to what? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So again it is minus 1. Let it be equation 2. Okay, that is 2. The next one is C square. C square I can write C into C. What is C? 0, I, 0. Again one more C is what? 0, I, 0. So same, C square is equal to, same procedure. C square is equal to what? First row, first column. First row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. Plus into plus, plus. Because no sign being given is plus only. I into I is I square. Next, first row, second column. See, 0 into I, 0. I into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0. First row, first column, second column is over. Second row, first column. I into 0, 0. Plus 0 into I, 0. Next, second row, second column. I into I square. Plus 0 into 0, 0. So C square is equal to 0 plus I square is I square. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 I square. So therefore, C square is equal to, since he has given I square is equal to minus 1, this will become minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Let it be equation 3. Now what is the last one? It should be equal to minus I. Minus I. This is nothing but minus 1 into I. Minus 1 into I. If you want, I can take this one as minus 1 into I. So minus 1. I means what? Identity matrix. 1, 0, 0. So this will become minus into plus minus. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Minus 1 into 0, 0. If you write minus 0, if you write plus 0, that doesn't matter much. So minus 0 into 1, 0. Okay. Minus 1 into 1, 1. That is negative 1. Sorry. Negative 1. So this is the value of minus 1. All this as 4. So now comparing 1, 2, 3 and 4 comparing 1, 2, 3 and 4, you check all the matrices, all the A square matrix or B square matrix or C square matrix or minus identity matrix, all the values are same, corresponding elements also same. So therefore I can write A square is equal to B square is equal to C square, which is equal to minus. Hence it is proved. Yes, please copy down the first part of the question. Yes, copy down the first part of the question. Yes. Now the second question is, I have to show that AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. That means first I need to do AB. So that is matrix A, I, 0, 0, minus I into matrix B, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Again same procedure. First row, first column. First row, first column. 0 into I into 0, 0. Plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, first row, second column. I into minus 1, minus I. Plus 0. Next, second row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. Minus I into 1, minus I. Next, second row, second column. 0 into minus 1, 0. Minus I into 0, it is 0. If you write minus 0 or plus 0, that doesn't matter. So AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? 0 minus I, 0. Let it be 1. Let it be 1. Yes. Next, I have found out AB. Next, I need to find out minus BA. Minus BA. First, what you do is, first you find out BA. Then you find out negative of BA. First, I will find out BA. So BA is equal to what? 0 minus 1, 1, 0. What is A? I, 0, 0, minus I. Now this is 0 into I, 0. 0 into I, 0. Minus 1 into 0, minus 0. First row, first column is over, second column. 0 into 1, sorry, 0 into 0, 0. Minus into minus, plus 1 into I. Next, second row, first column. 1 into I. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. Next, second row, second column. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Right? 1 into 0, 0. 0 into minus I, minus 0. So BA is equal to 0, I, 0. He is asking us to find out minus of BA. That is minus 1 into BA is 0, I, 0. Already I told you that minus BA can be taken as minus 1 into BA. So therefore minus BA is equal to minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into I, minus I. Minus 1 into I, minus I, 0. Let it be equation 2. Next, I need to find out minus C. So minus C can be taken as minus 1 into C. This is minus 1. What is C? 0, I, 0. Because why I taken minus 1? So minus 1 into C will become minus C only. So that is why I have taken minus. So which is equal to minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into I, minus I. Minus 1 into I, minus I. 0. So this is minus C. So this is equation 3. So when comparing 1, 2 and 3, you compare equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 or matrix 1, 2 and 3. See, all the corresponding elements are same. Here first element is 0, first element is 0, here also first element is 0. Next, minus I, minus I, minus I. That is the second element of the first row. And first element of the second row is minus I, minus I, minus I. So second element of the second row, 0, 0, 0. That means all the three matrix, AB matrix, minus BA matrix and minus C matrix, all are equal. So therefore, I can write AB is equal to minus of BA is equal to minus C. Hence, this be proved. Yes, please note down this one. Yes. For you, the fourth question I have given homework. He has given a matrix of 3 cross 3. Yes, matrix A, matrix P of 3 cross 3. Then you are supposed to show that A square into AB. First you need to find out A square. Then you need to find out B square. Again you have to multiply those two. Okay. First you have to multiply A into A to get A square. You have to multiply B into B to get B square. Then you have to multiply A square and B square. When you multiply, you should get the answer what we got for the A square. I hope you can do this. So this fourth question will be homework for you. Fifth question I have taken. You have to do that as a homework. Yes. Now, fifth question. It has been given that if f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 7, he is asking you to find f of a. He is asking you to find f of a, where a is a matrix of order 2 cross 2 having elements 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. You can call them as elements or the entries. So very clearly, what is there? F of a is equal to a square minus 5a plus 7. See, remember this 7, what I can write? 7 can be written as 7 into 1. 7 into 1. Where this 7 into 1, 1 is nothing but what? Identity matrix. Because even the number should be written in the form of a matrix. So it will become a square minus 5a plus 7i. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I can write 7 into I. Yes. Now first what we are supposed to find out? A square and 5a then 7i. So remember, always in the matrix A is given. Okay. Then what happens? Any number should be written as that number into 1. 1 is taken as identity matrix because 1 always represents unit matrix or identity matrix. Yes. Now, A square is equal to A into A. So, this is what is A? We have there 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Again, 3, 1, minus 1. So, first row, first column. First row, first column. So, A square is equal to 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1. First row, first column. First row, second column. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 2, 2 with positive sign. Next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Plus into minus, minus 2. Minus 2. Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 times is 4 with plus sign. So, I will get a square is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. 5. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Minus 4, minus 1 plus 4 is 3. So, this is the value of a square. Next, what I need to find out? I need to find out 5a. I need to find out 5a. Don't write a minus 5a, just you take 5a. 5 into matrix A, 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So, 5a means what? 5 into matrix A. That means it is a scalar multiplication. This is matrix multiplication. This is multiplication of matrix or matrix multiplication. This is what we call it as scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is what? The element or the number which is present outside of the matrix should be multiplied with each and every entries or the elements of the given matrix. So this will become 5 3 times is 15, 5 1 time is 5, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 5 2 times is 10, this is 5a. Then what? 7i, that is 7 into identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. So therefore what I get is 7i is equal to 7 0 0 7. Now what we are supposed to find out? We have to find out the value of a square minus 5a plus 7i. So a square minus 5a plus 7i. What is a square we got? 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Minus. What is 5a? 15, 5, minus 5 and 10. What is 7i? 7i is 7, 0, 0, 7. Now, this is nothing but the subtraction as well as the multiplication of matrix. For the subtraction or the multiplication of matrix, what we do is, we will take the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements in the sense what? In this matrix, the first row, first element is 8. Here it is 15. Here also first row, first element is 7. That means you need to add the corresponding element or you need to subtract the corresponding elements. So therefore, what I can do, 8 minus into plus minus 15 plus into plus plus 7. So I have taken the corresponding elements. Here also corresponding elements 5 minus 5 plus 0. Here minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 0. 3. For 3 corresponding element is minus 10 plus 7. Now this will be, if I add this one, 8 plus 7, 15 minus 15. You know minus 5 plus 5 will give 0. Okay, 0 plus anything is 0. It's also 0. 3 plus 7 is 10 minus 10. Now this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is a null matrix. It is a null matrix or it is also called as a zero matrix. Zero matrix. Sometimes the same question will be asked in different way. If A is equal to 3 minus 1, 3, 1, minus 1 and 2, they may ask you to show that A square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Even like that also they may ask you. Yes, please note down. This is one of the important questions. Okay, this is a vast chapter. Okay, you can take any number as an example and you have to work out. Until unless you doesn't work hard, it is very difficult. Yes, please follow this one and write down. Yes, sir. Next I have taken 7th question. 6th question is a homework. having if A is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, and matrix P is equal to 2, 2, minus 4, minus 4, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 5. He is asking you to show that BA is equal to 6, 5. So what you have to do is, you have to do multiplication of matrix B into A. Okay, that value should be equal to 6 into identity matrix. Since it is 3 rows, 3 columns, you have to take identity matrix as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If it is 2 cross 2 matrix, you should take 1, 0, 0, 1. So for you, the sixth question will be over. If you multiply BA, your answer should be 600, 060, 006. Otherwise, if it is not equal, you can write it is not equal. So sixth question is over for you. Yes. Now the seventh question. In the seventh question, it is given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is and A plus 2B is equal to A square is asking you to find the matrix B. What he has given? A plus 2B is equal to A square. Now make this into standard form. Make this into standard form. That means what we have to find out? We have to find out B. That means matrix B is unknown. Matrix B is unknown. A matrix is known. If I know A, you can write A square also. A square is also known matrix. That means this is unknown matrix. This is, and these two are known matrix. So write known one side and the unknown on the other side. So therefore, I can write 2B is equal to A square minus A. A square minus A. Let it be equation 1. Okay, afterwards we will find out, we'll take out 2, then we will do it. First, what we need to find out, what we have to do is, we need to separate the variable, that means unknown value with the known value. That means unknown matrix with the known matrix. Unknown matrix with the known matrix, because matrix B is known matrix, whereas A and B is unknown. A and A square are unknown matrix. First we need to find out, B is unknown matrix, A square is known matrix, A is also known matrix. A matrix is been given, A square is equal to A into A. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you know that first row, first column. So this is 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. First row, second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 2s are, 2 4s are 8. Next 3, 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 4 times 12. Next 3 2s are 6 plus 4 4 times 16. So A square is equal to 7, 10, 15, 22. Okay. 1 2s are 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 4 4s are 16, 7, 10, 15, 22. This is A square. A is already there. Now 2 times of B is equal to A square minus A. So 2 times of B is equal to, what is A square we got? 7, 10, 15, 22 minus what is A we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 times of B. Remember, these two are the subtraction of matrix. These two are subtraction of matrix. For the 7, the corresponding element is 1. So 7 minus 1. If you want, you can write directly also. If you want, you can write directly 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, next 10. I'll write directly 10 minus 2, let it be 10 minus 2, 15 minus 3, 22 minus 4. So 2 times of B is equal to 6, 8, 12, in fact 18. But actually he has asked you to find out B. I don't want 2B. That means I need to remove the 2. In order to remove the 2, either I have to divide with 2 or I have to multiply with the 1.5. Multiply with half. Multiply by half on both sides. If you want, you can multiply or you can divide. So 2 times of b into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into what is the matrix? 6, 8, 12, 18. So these two will get cancelled. I will get b. Now it is a scalar multiplication. It is a scalar multiplication. That means half into 6, half into 8, half into 12, half into 18. So that is b is equal to 1 time 3 times 3, 1 time 4 times 4, 1 time 6 times 6, 1 time 9 times 9. So this is the value of matrix B, 3, 4, 6 as well as 9. Yes, please note down this one. Yes, sir. Now question number A. If 1, 2, 4, 7, A, B, C, D, these two are multiplication matrix. These two is equal to another matrix. Is asking you to find A, B, C, D. Those values are unknown. First, you have to take the multiplication of these two matrix. So 1 into A, 1A are 1. Okay. Plus into plus, plus. 2 into C, 2C. Next, 1 into B, 1B. Plus into plus, plus. 2 into D, 2D. Next, 4 into A, 4A. That is second row, first column. Plus 7C. Next, 4 into B, 4B. Plus 7 into D, 7D. So these two are equal to, this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Very clearly, since equal sign is given, very clearly these two are equal matrix. These two are equal matrix. That means 1A plus 2C is equal to 1. Next, 4A plus 7C is equal to 0. I have taken A and C one side. Then 1B, I'll write here, 1B plus 2D is equal to 0. 4B plus 7D is equal to 1. Right? Now, these are simultaneous linear equation. This is in the form of simultaneous linear equation. So I will try to eliminate A. So to eliminate A, this should be multiplied with 4, the coefficient of second, into 1. So 4 into A, 4A plus 4 2 times is 8C is equal to 4. 1 into 4A is 4A plus 7C is equal to 0. I will subtract. This will become negative. This will become negative. This will be negative. These two will get cancelled. 8C minus 7C is 1C is equal to 4. Or I will get C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4. Yes. C is equal to 4. Now put C is equal to 4. Put C is equal to 4 in either in this or in this. Okay. A plus 2C is equal to 1. A, 1A, that is 1A is A only. 2 into C is 4 is equal to 1. A plus 8 is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 minus 8. A is equal to minus 7. You got A value. You got A value, you got C value. Similarly, we have to find out B and D. So again, I will multiply this with 4, this with 1. Okay, 4B plus 8D is equal to 0. 4B plus 7D is equal to 1. Minus, minus, minus. These two will get cancelled. 8D minus 7D is 1D, which is equal to minus 1, or D is equal to minus 1. So put D is equal to minus 1 in any one, either this one or this one. 1b plus 2d is equal to 0. 1b is b plus 2. What is d? D is minus 1 is equal to 0. b plus into minus, minus 2 equal to 0. So b is equal to 2. If I send minus to that side, it will become positive 2. So therefore, a is equal to minus 7, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 4, and d is equal to minus 1. Yes, please note down this one. Yes. Next, ninth question. Most probably this may be the last question, I think so. So ninth question, if A is equal to, if capital A is equal to, this is the matrix, A, B, C, D, these are the entries, and I is an identity matrix. You have to show that A square minus of AD plus A is minus of BC minus AD into I is a null matrix. Is a null matrix means your answer should be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. It should be null matrix. So first what we need to find out? We need to find out A square, okay, then A plus D of capital A, then the other part. First A square. A square is equal to what? A into A. What is the first matrix A? A, B, C, D. And the same matrix A, B, C, D. And these two are nothing but the multiplication of matrix. First row, first column. First row, first column. A into A square. Plus into plus, plus. B into C, BC. First row, first column. First row, second column. A into B, AB. Plus into plus, plus. B into D, BD. So, first row I have done with first column as well as the second column. Further, we don't have any other columns. Next, second row, first column. C into A. Try to write always alphabet wise. C into A, don't write CA, AC. If you write CA, there is no problem. It will avoid confusion, that's all. Next, C into A, AC. Plus into plus, plus. C into D, CD. Next, second row, second column. C into B, BC. Okay, plus into plus, plus. D into D, D square. So this is what? A square. This is what? A square. Next, what I need to find out? AD into A. Okay, now, okay, A plus D into matrix